guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing. Basically I ordered fog lights for my car. Since I had installed them on my friend Acura, I was like, you know what, I gotta get some too. You know, I don't like the ugly, dull, yellow, old-fashioned looking lights. So I was like, you know what, you already know where I bought this from. I got this off of eBay. I just type in 2008 Toyota Avalon fog lights, and these came up. You got to make sure you read, because if you don't, you might click. Well, if you click on the wrong one, it asks you to select your vehicle, and once you click on that specific vehicle that you actually own or have, it will tell you if it fits or it do not fit. So this is what came up. I don't even know what's the name of this. What? I never heard about this name. Look at the top. I don't even know how to read that. It's AUIMSOC. I don't know how you say that. But make sure it's in America so that you get it fast. This take about a week. I bought it last week online. And here we go, guys. So this is what it looks like. It looks similar to the one that my friend had, the one that I installed on my friend's car. It's really bright. As you can see, the demonstration they show back here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Those are the normal ones on top, and the brighter ones at the bottom show you the difference with the LED and the normal halogen bulb. This one is the LED headlights, wide 20 meter, 150 meter range. So these are brighter, of course. And yeah, these are for the fog lights. These are the fog. Yeah, this is my quick unboxing. And the story that I wanted to tell you guys yesterday, I wanted to tell you guys yesterday is, yeah, I bought them, and I end up getting a message on my phone. You know, my notification. I got the notification on my phone saying my package have arrived, and it's in the mailbox. I could pick it up, it's in the mailbox, whatever. And yesterday when I checked it there yesterday, it was not there. So you guys already know that I was like, yo, again? But I didn't really stress it. I was saying to myself, you know what, the next day, which is today, I'm gonna see. Yeah, so I basically checked them. I basically checked the mail today, and it was in there, and I was so happy. It happens before. you guys know, but back then when I ordered I don't know if you guys remember, but I had ordered some tire pressure monitor sensors, and the mail lady, it wasn't the original mail person. It was a sub. The other person was on, the regular lady was on vacation, and it was a substitute. The substitute made a mistake, put it in somebody else's box. And when the regular lady came, well, before she had came, I had ordered another batch. And when she came, I asked if she could check the other mailboxes, and she did. And I ended up having extra, but it still played out in the long run. I'm happy. But yeah, yesterday I was furious. Man, I went to that mailbox. I was like, no, my package is not here, even though it say it's there. And I was waiting, try to see if I could find the mail lady today. I didn't see her, but in the afternoon I ended up checking the box, and I got my package. I'm happy that I got my fog lights. Can't wait to get them installed. I'm also going to show you guys a clip how they look, how the fog lights look right now on the car. That dull, and feel me, I don't like the way how that yellow looking old-fashioned bulb look. No, I want mine to be bright white. and I can't wait to do it. I might do it tomorrow, but I'm gonna show you guys a little clip. Yep. Alright guys, so this is the difference. You can see how the fog lights look. They look like yellow, like, you know, the old-fashioned lights. That is how it looks. So I am going to change them. I might change them tomorrow, or maybe tomorrow or the next day. I don't know, I'm not sure. Whenever I get some time, I'll change them. But yeah, as you can see how dull they look at the bottom. Like, now I want mine to be white, you feel me? I want them to look white. So I got the lights. I'm happy that I got them, and I can't wait to change them. And I also will be doing a video changing them to show you guys how to change the fog lights. Yeah, and there you have it. Can't wait to get them changed. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and support. Hopefully I get some time to change them tomorrow. I could change them to, like, right now it's 7:24, but I don't want to get dirty right now. I really don't, because I have to, like, take off the plastic piece underneath. It's like a 10mm. Did I put my tools back? Yeah, I did. It's like you could use a 10mm wrench or the racket, the socket, and take it off. Take off that plastic piece first, and most likely you can put your hands up and twist, disconnect it from the connector, pull it out, and put in the new one. I can't wait. I'm happy right now. But this is all I got to share with you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you all for coming, watching, and yeah, thank you all for coming and watching and subscribing and sticking with me and all that stuff. Thank you guys. Peace out. Bye bye. Take care. God bless. I'm out of here. Peace.